All right. How is everybody doing this evening? You know who it is? It's JL, the anti-guru. And it's Mo Money Monday. And we're listening to a little jazzy. So we're Jazzy Monday on Mo Money Monday. Cousin Jay, appreciate you being on. We're jazzy again today for Mo Money Monday. All right, let me turn down the music. And we'll get right into this. As the title is today for Mo Money Monday, how to make your offer irresistible so you can sell more of your products and services. Now, this can work for virtually any business that is making online offers. And if you're not making online offers, I don't know what to tell you. You need to be doing it. You know, just like my rant when we were talking about the difference between websites and sales funnels. You know, that there are plenty of businesses out there who still don't have an online presence of any type. They're traditional and they're making whatever money they're making, but being able to run your business and automate it online can offer up a lot of different things. Okay, so we're going to get right into the lesson, into this training today. How can you make your offer irresistible? Now, again, if it's your own product or service or something, you have a little bit of an advantage over someone who, say, is promoting an affiliate offer or a product or something like that, because they don't have you. But here's what you can do. You can add bonuses, because this is, but let me back up, because there are 3 questions that your offer needs to address, and basically 3 objections. And you need to start thinking about how to solve these objections when they come up. The 3 things are time, money, and will this work for me? So when you're thinking about crafting your offer around whatever product or service that you are trying to promote or sell, you want to be able to creating that offer. You want to do something that saves people time. You know, it also talks about, I've talked about products and services and different things that you promote. If they're not enhancing people's lives, if they're not making things better, you may want to reconsider what you're promoting or what you're selling. Because if you're in business simply to make money from people, you will make money, but you won't make as much as you really like, because you're not concerned about your customers. You're concerned about the money that they bring to you. So you want to create bonuses. If you, especially, we're going to just take affiliate marketing, because I know there's probably going to be some affiliate marketers and even network marketers. But when you're creating your offer, your unique, irresistible offer, because you got to stand out from people, especially if you're an affiliate marketer, because there could be thousands of people promoting the same thing you're promoting. So why should they buy from you? You have to start thinking about adding bonuses. You know, if money is an objection, then you need to put something in there to create more value and give them more to offer, more in the offer than the actual thing that you want them to purchase or to use. So you always want to speak in benefits to your prospects. You know, what do most people want? They want results, and they want them right now. So another catchphrase to be thinking about is done for you. So when you're crafting your offers, or your bonuses, those are the things that you need to put in there. You know, if you are promoting some type of product that, say, like I'll go with weight loss, because I was in the fitness business. Say you're promoting a weight loss product. Well, you know, if you have the ability to craft some type of bonus, like if you get this product, we'll give you some free exercise bands, or we'll add something else into the offer to prompt them to take action and to give them the impression that they're getting a whole lot more for their money. Because here's the thing, remember this, everybody wants to buy. Nobody wants to be sold. So you've got to take the selling out and make an offer, so that you have to get in the mindset of your customers, what motivates them to buy, because some people buy for a lot of different reasons. I mean, if you had a 100-page report and you had somebody who was visual, well, they're not going to be interested in that. So you might want to consider creating some videos or a video course. Or if somebody didn't want to read a book, they might want to go with audio. So you want to make some audio books that you can add in as bonuses if they take you up on your offer. The next thing that component you want to be thinking about is you've got to create a sense of urgency or scarcity. And I know some of you out there who are experienced have heard this before, but putting deadlines on your bonuses is one way to get people to take action. Start taking things away. If you don't do this in a certain amount of time or in the next hour, if you act now, you can get X, Y, Z. But if you don't, you can just get the light version or instead of the full version. Another thing is when people do make a purchase, you need to be able to maybe consider giving them some type of gift. Like I just bought some creatine and some other supplements because I'm getting back in the gym. And I went to this company and I bought a few things. And for the month of October, they were giving a bonus gift inside of my purchase. Didn't even know I was going to get it. But, after I made my purchase, and, or put everything in the cart, I looked up and I saw this special bonus gift. So those are the things that you have to consider when you are crafting your offer, because your offer is not your product or your service. Let me get that straight. Let me say that again. The offer is not the product or the service that you're trying to promote or sell. Your offer is what you're going to give them inside of that product or service in order to prompt them to take action. So all of these things that I'm talking about are things that you can give, bonuses that you can add on inside of your funnel. Who is this? North Carolina, we're not talking to you today because I just don't talk to the whole. That must be the governor. The governor probably was calling me for some advice. Another thing that you want to, another flash word or whatever tag, whatever you want to call a word that you want, a go-to word is unlimited VIP support. So, if you're selling a course or if you're selling a product, and say like a gun cleaning kit. If you were selling a gun cleaning kit, well, maybe you wanted to add in some support to tell them how to best use the gun cleaning kit. Maybe get on a call with them. You could do a video call. You could do Facebook has Facebook Messenger. You can do Facebook Messenger Lives with your customers after they made their purchase. Another thing is when we talk about branding. Another little secret, especially if you're selling some type of training, you can use the word method or formula, like that book that I read a little while ago. What was it, by Craig Valentine? Where is it? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It says the perfect day formula. So it gives more credibility. It gives a little more oomph. It makes it sound like it's something unique that you can use in your inside of your sales funnel, because we're talking about online stuff, guys. This is not. You may be able to do something like this, like if you owned a store and somebody came in, because I know when I worked for GNC, if you bought certain products, you might get a free sample of this or a free sample of that. So you could use that in a brick and mortar business. But that's after the customer has already come in and made a purchase. This is something where you're going to draw people in, which is what we talk about attraction marketing. That's one of the benefits of online marketing and using the internet. You can attract people without actually having to talk to them. So that's the benefit, especially if you're a person who's kind of shy and doesn't want to do a lot of talking. You can do these, create these sales funnels as opposed to websites. So I've been on here for almost 10 minutes now. I'm going to go over these points again. Remember, the 3 questions or the 3 things that your offer needs to solve, the obstacles, is time. I don't have enough time. Money. I don't have enough money. And will this work for me? So that VIP support or some kind of support can really go far, especially when people are considering purchasing trainings and products where they have to learn how to do something. If you've got something where they can be held by the hand, or if it's done for you, those are things. Always speak benefits to your prospects. They don't care about how long the product is, or 6 weeks or whatever. They want to know, how is this going to benefit me? Will I have the time to do it? Will I have the money to purchase it? And will it work for me? So those are the ways that you craft your offer. And that's how you got to be thinking. Again, always remember about urgency and scarcity. Create a sense of that. Especially when you're adding bonuses for the offer that you're trying to, for the product that you're trying, or service you're trying to get people to purchase. You want to add some bonuses in there, some incentives. Think about things that you can give away. I've given you some ideas. Maybe you can come up with a 3-video training series, or you can come up with some audiobooks, or you could, there are some other resources. There was a Gutenberg.org where you can get books that the copyright, they're not copyrighted, they're non-copyrighted. So they're public domain. That's what it is. Public domain books. So that means you take the book and you can, get something on marketing or something on whatever business you're in. You could create a video out of that by reading the book, writing down an outline. You could record yourself reading the book or reading the highlights of the book and give that way as a bonus. In addition, as long as it complements what you're promoting, it has to be something that's related to the product that or service that you're trying to get them to purchase. The other thing is, make sure that if you can, put in a special gift after with the purchase. We talked about unlimited VIP support. You don't have to put VIP. VIP gives it that sizzle. If you say unlimited support, like, yeah, well, I'll give you unlimited VIP support. That makes me special, and everybody wants to feel special. Another thing is, if you're crafting some type of course or some type of training, use the word method or formula in there to kind of give it a little bit more sizzle, gives it a lot more authority. Okay, so that's what I have for you today as far as how to make your offer irresistible. I pray that this has been beneficial and that you found some value in it. If you know of someone who can benefit from this, please like, share, and send me your comments. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I always post these lives on my YouTube channel where you can get the full, I've got tons and tons of training videos on there. That's JL Bumbrey. Just type in JL Bumbrey, you'll find me. And it's anti-guru training videos. That's the playlist that it's in. And as always, I want to give away something free. Actually, I got 2 things free today. One, last week I was giving away this PDF file with 71 email headlines that will increase your open rates. Hey, Keisha, how you doing, baby? My fiance's on today, y'all. So if you are struggling to get your emails to open up, getting people to open your emails, if one of the problems is, it could be your headline. And let me just say this, copywriting is one of the biggest problems that a lot of marketers and a lot of business people go through, because most of us suck at copy. I know I did. But I've been in the business a while, so I've learned how to make good copy, write good copy. But that's why I've compiled this 71 email headlines that you can use for your emails, and if you're emailing your customers, your clients, and your prospects. And if you're a marketer, or if you're a business person in general, you need to have an email list. I've said that 1,000 times if I've said it once. And then finally, the last free thing I want to offer you, I'm going to make you an irresistible offer. If you are, Genius, 71 genius subject lines that explode your open rate. Okay, Jay, I need to write that down. Well, it's on here. I'm going to have to write that down. I'm stealing that from you, bro. Appreciate that. I love it. Love it. That's my man. And y'all, if y'all have not gone to Jay Williamson, he is an author. He has written a book about volunteering and how you can take your skills as a volunteer and turn it into a viable business for yourself. So I think today is the last day that you can get the offer. He's allowing people to get the book 100% free 99. You just got to pay the shipping cost on it. So if you're an entrepreneur, if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you're a volunteer and you've been thinking about becoming a business owner, you need to get this book. So Jay, if you get it, if you're still there, put the link to your to where they can go pick up that book in the comments, so that they can take a look at that and go ahead and pick up that irresistible offer, because free 99 is irresistible. But back to me. For you business owners, entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, network marketers, if you want to switch from using just websites for your business and you want to get some custom built sales funnels, I am offering you the chance to get a free quote. I'm going to do a free build for you. I'll interview you. We'll get on a video call. We'll talk about your business a little bit. I'll come up with a sales funnel for you. I'll create it for you. I'll let you get a free look at it. And if you decide you want to get that, if for the first funnel that you buy, I will give it to you 50% off, no matter what the cost is. Because some of the funnels can be as inexpensive as $97. I think maybe $47 might be the cheapest one. And some of them that I do are $297, but of course you're talking about an elaborate sales funnel, something like a webinar funnel or something like that. It has a lot of moving parts, so it takes a little bit more. But whatever it is you need, if you're just looking for straight sales funnels, if you're looking for bridge funnels to connect your products to, if you are a coach or a speaker and you're trying to do webinars, I can create all kinds of funnels like that for you. So if you're interested in that, go to consultwithjl.com/quote-funnel and follow the instructions on that, and I'll talk with you and we'll see what we can get started for you. Again, go and check out my man Jay Williamson's book. It's Volunteer. And in fact, let me show it to you because I got it right over here. Yeah, another plug. You need to go get this book, Volunteering: Skills That Last You a Lifetime. Jay's going to probably put the link in the comments where you can go pick that up, free 99. But today is the last day. If you don't get it by 12 midnight, I believe you won't be able to get it for that price. You'll have to pay regular price. So also, if you want to take advantage of those, those 71 genius subject lines that explode your open rate, click getpaidwithjl.com/email-headlines. All right, that's all that I have for you today. I appreciate everybody that came on live with me. If you're catching this on the replay, please put it in #replay. And as always, remember my motto: if you want something you've never had, you have to become someone you've never been. All right, we'll see you on Thursday at 7 o'clock. Peace.